We'll explore some common solutions to many of the error codes that could be displayed on your Sidekick pedestal washer. Be sure to follow these solutions before you call for service. The Sidekick drawer needs to be closed in order for the wash cycle to begin. So if a DE1 error code appears on your display after several seconds from starting your wash cycle, simply close the drawer. The washer will then lock and begin its cycle. If you notice an abnormal noise shortly after starting your wash cycle and closing a drawer such as this, and then the DE2 error code appears, means the drawer is closed but did not lock properly. Turn the washer off, pull the drawer open, restart the cycle, and close the drawer firmly. A DE3 error code will appear on your display if the lid is not properly latched. Turn the washer off, open the drawer, and make sure the latch area is free of clothing and other obstructions. Close the lid, shut the drawer, and restart the cycle. An IE error code indicates that there is a problem with your water supply. Check to make sure that the inlet filters are not clogged with sediment by turning off the water supply, taking off the water hoses attached to the back of the washers, and using needle nose pliers to pull out the inlet filters from the inlet valves. Clean and rinse the filters if necessary. When finished, follow the same steps in reverse and make sure that the water faucets are fully open and that the hoses are not kinked or pinched. You may also see an IE error code if the Sidekick pedestal washer takes too long to fill with water due to very low water pressure. Problems with the drain hose could result in an OE error code. Make sure the drain hose is not clogged, kinked, or pinched. Also, make sure the height of the drain is no more than 53 inches above the floor, as the washer cannot push the water any higher than that. If the washer is full of water, it can be drained by selecting the rinse and spin cycle, followed by selecting the extra rinse option until you see the spin only indicator light on the display. If the tub is still filled with water, another option is to empty the water into a shallow pan by pulling the drain tube on the inner left side of the drawer. Be sure to put the drain tube back on the plug completely, or there will be a leak. The washer will check each load for balance before it goes into the spin cycle. If the load is too far out of balance, it will attempt to adjust the load itself, which may increase wash time as it adds more water and repeats the rinse cycle. If these attempts fail, the UE error code will appear on a display and will pause the cycle until you open the drawer and try to redistribute the clothes more evenly before continuing with the cycle. This could also be caused by a mixed load with heavy and light items, or the load is simply too small, which you will then need to add additional items to help solve the problem. Your Sidekick pedestal washer keeps track of the number of loads that you have washed, and it will let you know when it is time to run the tub clean cycle. This helps prevent buildup and odors in the machine by displaying a TCL code. Dilute 1/4 cup of bleach in a quart of water and pour it into the empty tub. Close the lid, select and start the tub clean cycle, and then close the drawer. You can also use any of the commercial tub cleaning agents on the market, but remember, this is a very small tub, so use less if you can. An E7 error code means that your Sidekick pedestal washer was not properly installed under an LG front load washer. To help correct this issue, make sure your front load washer is properly aligned on the Sidekick as shown, and that the bottom back left piece is set properly on the stacking switch. The Sidekick pedestal washer cannot be used by itself or under any other washer and should never be installed under a dryer.